Hi everybody, in this video we're going to be learning the two division tables. This topic is part of the operations and division area of maths and is suitable for children who are 8 years and older. Okay, so let's get started. There are two ways of saying our division tables. The first way is by saying 10 divided by 2. So if you take 10 and you divide it into 2 and you split it into 2 equal parts, you get 5 in each part, and we write that by saying 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. The other way of saying it is also 10 divided by 2, but really what we're doing here is we're getting 10 and we're dividing it into 2s. So there are 2s there, and as you can see we also have 5 2s in there, and we write that by saying 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5 also. Right, so let's put this into practice and see how it works. If we start with the number 24 and we divide it into 2, we're going to have 12 in each group. 12 in this group and 12 in this group. If we take 24 and divide it into 2s though, then we're going to have 12 groups. 22 divided into 2 will give you 11 in each group. 11 in this group and 11 in this group. But if we take 22 and split it into 2s, we will get 11 2s. Now 20, so 20 divided into 2 will give us 10 in each group. But 20 divided into 2s will give us 10 groups of 2. 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9. And 18 divided into 2 is equal to 9. Same thing. 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. 16 divided into 2s is equal to 8. 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7. And 14 divided into 2s is equal to 7. 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. 6 in this group and 6 in this group. Or 12 divided into 2s is equal to 6 groups of 2. 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5 in each group. Or 10 divided into 2s will get 5 groups of 2. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. And 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. And 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. 4 divided into 2 parts, you get 2 in each part. And 4 divided into 2s, you get 2 2s. Finally, 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1, and 2 divided into a 2 is also equal to 1. Great work! You've learned how to do your two division tables. Now let's say them through. This is how we say them, and you can repeat after me to help you to learn them. Now when we say our division tables, we kind of say them backwards. So we start with 2 into 2 goes 1 time. Then we say 2 into 4 goes 2 times. 2 into 6 goes 3 times. 2 into 8 goes 4 times. And you build up a bit of a rhythm. 2 into 10 goes 5 times. 2 into 12 goes 6 times. 2 into 14 goes 7 times. 2 into 16 goes 8 times. 2 into 18 goes 9 times. 2 into 20 goes 10 times. 2 into 22 goes 11 times. And 2 into 24 goes 12 times. Great job! You successfully completed all the activities in this lesson. Keep up the great work and see you soon. for watching. Please click like, subscribe and click the notification bell.